Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you a feature that's on related to YouTube where you can actually use YouTube without signing in. For some people this may be common knowledge, for others you might miss it, alright? So it's a cool little feature and you definitely... Right, so I'll show you how to turn on or better yet how to use YouTube without an account. All right, so it's straightforward. Simply find your YouTube app. I'm using a Samsung TV. Doesn't matter the TV. This tutorial is mainly for TV sets. So you can have YouTube, especially if you're going to use the TV out the box, or it doesn't really matter. All right, so go ahead and launch YouTube. All right, so once you have launched YouTube, you will be on this screen, and of course, as you see, I'm not signing. It says welcome back and it gives you the option to sign in with your phone, but of course you might miss it, and it's all the way down here. So they do give you to sign in with your remote, and of course you can add a kids profile, but one of the ones that we tend to miss is this one that says watch as a guest, and they place it all the way down here, so you might have overlooked it. All right, so that's still an option that gets you right in the door. So we're going to select, and of course, here you go. And if you check out the user up here, which is right here, you'll notice that we are not signed in at all. So it's actually a guest user. It doesn't require anything, and it instantly gets you in. And as you can see here, guys, we can go ahead and you can see videos. So as you can see here, you have videos, and you can go ahead and do search and all that. So right off the bat, everything is ready for you. All right, so if you are in if you like this tutorial, please go ahead and like. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.